Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick review on this Enerex Greens. So it's basically a greens powder. It's got like spirulina, things like that. I'm going to do a quick taste test. It does have probiotics, gluten free, raw juice powder as it says. This is what it says in the back. If you guys want to read it, pause it. I got this as a sample, so I'm going to try it out and yeah, see if it tastes any good. I've tasted some greens powders that haven't been the greatest in taste and pretty much makes it not pleasant when you drink it. So it smells okay. It smells kind of sweet, so it doesn't smell horrible. There we go. Alright, see how well it blends as well. There we go. Okay, so it tastes like it tastes like any other greens, but it's not bitter. It's not doesn't taste like grass. It's got a very subtle neutral taste. It just tastes like water with a hint of some greens and a slight sweetness to it. They didn't use stevia. They actually used Lohan, and basically that's what they use for their sweetness. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.